Buy dirt, found the one you can't live without. Get a ring that you need at the ground.
So a really smart man once told me never trade what you really want for what you want right now. And what I really want is a place that I can call home, a place where I'm accepted, a place where I'm loved, a place where I'm okay. And I hope you have a place that you can call home, especially in this shit COVID time we're living in. I mean, this negative stuff is killing our brains. It's insane. And that's what this song is about. It's called Buy Dirt by Jordan Davis. And don't forget, if you play in a band, check out my free little workshop made with you in mind to make your song and your band sound better. It's free. It's made for you. But here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Few days before we turned 80, he was sitting out back in a rocker. Said, what you been up to lately? Told him chasing a dollar in between sips of coffee. He poured this wisdom out. Said, if you want my 2 cents on making the dollar count, buy dirt, find the one you can't live without. Get a ring that you need at the ground. Do what you love but call it work. Throw a little money in the plate at church. Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. Add a few limbs to your family tree. Watch their pencil marks in the grass in the yard all grow up. Cause the truth about it is, it all goes by real quick. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt. Before you get caught on that ladder, let me tell you what it's all about. Find you the things that matter. You can put a fence around. And then he laid it out. Buy dirt, found the one you can't live without. Get a ring that you need at the ground. Do what you love but call it work. Throw a little money in the plate at church. Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. Add a few limbs to your family tree. Watch their pencil marks in the grass in the yard all grow up. Cause the truth about it is, it all goes by real quick. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy dirt. For it, cause he ain't making any more of it. Buy dirt, found the one you can't live without. Get a ring that you need at the ground. Do what you love but call it work. Throw a little money in the plate at church. Send your prayers up and your roots down deep. Add a few limbs to your family tree. Watch their pencil marks in the grass in the yard all grow up.